I'm going to fold this to 45 degrees. Put a little line in there. And then I'm going to cut down there. Right, I've got a little bit left over on the edge, so I'm going to just trim that off because I want a square piece. Just trim it off. Right, okay. So the next thing to do is to take this top piece here and put that piece on there. So I'm going to bring it over, flip it up. And I'm going to stitch those two edges together. And then you can either cut straight pieces off there, or we've got one piece of bias binding. Lovely. If you want a longer piece of bias binding, this is what you do. So you've got this nice piece, you've drawn all these lovely lines, flip it over.
Pull that bit into the middle. Pull that bit into the middle, like this. And then you're kind of going to go like that and pull that corner a little bit that way and that one a little bit that way, because what you're going to do is mismatch them. But in order to make sure that this works
properly, you need to have the edge of this and the edge of that. So let's just do it from the middle. It's probably easy to see. So this line. Okay. So now you've got this very odd shape. It doesn't want to lie flat, it's very, very twisty. But what we're going to do is we're going to get scissors and we're going to cut. See this line here? We're going to just keep going up that line. That's it. Make sure it's out the way on the other side. Brilliant. You can do this with a rotor cutter if you want to, but it's a little bit risky because you can't put it flat. Look at that. Oh, we just kept going. How clever. There we go again. And this is how you end up with one big long strip for binding your quilt. Already joined together. And look how long that is. Wow.